Hello everybody, welcome to ExG. Embrace the ExG learning experience. We have come to part 11 of our most important legal maxim series, and the first maxim that we are going to discuss today is I incumbet probation q dicit non q negat. This means the burden of proof lies upon him who affirms, not he who denies. This principle means that the onus to prove the guilt of the accused lies upon the person who affirms it. That is, it is the prosecution's duty to prove the guilt beyond a reasonable doubt rather than the accused. According to this principle, there is a presumption of innocence for every individual unless he or she is proven guilty. This rule prevents harassment, embarrassment, and punishment of the innocent, responsible people who might be wrongfully or maliciously framed. In general, the principle states that a person is considered to be innocent unless proven guilty. This notion, therefore, is considered to be one of the primitive notions which are remarkably widespread in the legal system of every country all over the world. The burden of proof lies upon the prosecution to collect all the material evidence and present it and prove the guilt of the accused beyond a reasonable doubt. The next maxim is ex cathedra. This means with official authority. This Latin phrase does not mean from the cathedral, but means from the chair. Though this phrase has religious origins, it was originally applied to the decisions made by popes from their thrones when he officially teaches in his capacity of the universal shepherd of the church. However, in legal sense, this means with official authority, with the authority that comes from one's rank or office. The next legal maxim is ex concessis. This means in view of what has already been accepted. It refers to using information or assumptions that have already been established as true in order to draw further conclusions or make decisions. Ex concessis means that something is allowed based on what has already been agreed upon or accepted. For example, if we accept that all humans are mortal, then ex concessis we can conclude that John, being a human, is also mortal. Similarly, in legal context, it would seem to refer to an argument that begins with premises that have already been admitted or granted by the opponent, although in practice it is used to label arguments in which the opponent's concession of the premises is merely assumed or implied. The next legal maxim is ex gratia. This means out of kindness. An ex gratia payment is considered voluntary because the party making the payment is not obligated to compensate the individual. An ex gratia payment therefore is not necessary, especially legally, but is made to show good intentions. Ex gratia is actually Latin for by favor. And when something is done ex gratia, it has been done voluntarily out of kindness or grace. The next maxim is ex parte. This means proceedings brought by one person in the absence of others. An ex parte order is a legal decision rendered in favor of one party when the other party is absent or has not had the opportunity to participate in the proceedings. In such cases, the absent party may have the right to challenge and seek the reversal of the order under specific legal provisions. So these were all the legal maxims in part 11 of this series. I hope you are making the best use of this series. If you are facing any difficulty, any problems in your preparation for upcoming SEBI legal exam, you can mention them in the comment below. If you are in need of revision material, mock test, practice test, you can check out our SEBI legal quick revision course. Enroll with ExG and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.